I came down to visit Carter on this rainy Saturday afternoon.
Traffic here.
Can we get through?
Sure.
Got the dog out there running. Well, boys, this is a terrible idea. We're going down under the trail, which is going to be muddy as all get out. Well, boys, here's the situation. This is a steep cliff. I don't know if you can tell. We're trying to come back up here, and it's just wanting to slide off this edge here. So I'm gonna give it a few more tries.
I feel like it's getting worse somehow.
I know. I'm like on the right track now, but I feel like my front end's about to let loose.
All right, come that way. Hard.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh yeah, you're sliding off, bud. Let's just run your winch. We'll pull your front end over here.
Yeah, okay.
I probably sneak right by you now.
Let's not try to.
I'm joking.
Let's not muddy up the waters too much. All right, boys. She's starting to go. You know what we could do? Let's get crazy and snatch block it to my back end, up to there to my ass end as well. Probably not.
We come up about half a foot shy.
Yeah. I mean, I got a strap. You got a strap. We'll get it done. We could strap the snatch block much closer to us. We are up Schitt's Creek. All right, I'm gonna shut you guys off for a second, get situated, and I'll show you what we got. All right, boys. I don't know if you can see that, but we got a snatch block to a strap on this tree here. Got one of these synthetic boys on the tree, coming to my front end and my ass end. I'm gonna put it in reverse and see if I can't ease my way up. All right.
There you go. Run that winch. Cut the wheels past it. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh, brother.
Drove 2 hours for this.
I'll do it any day of the week, bud. Any opportunity to get bound up with my buddy.
Yep. I don't know how I'm getting out of here.
I mean, we're just gonna winch you right away.
I'm gonna drive right out.
All right.
I'll pop right out of here, like probably not even spin tires.
Okay. Why don't you put it on just my slider right there?
It's a fine idea.
My headlight is acting as a fair lead, believe it or not. Oh yeah, this is if I can get in there, this is gonna be fail-proof. I just can't believe how fucking I must have just dug down to the slick stuff.
I don't know what happened there. I thought you would just back out of here.
I know. Brother. All right, so we've repositioned and we're going again.
Let a lot of line out, maybe. Maybe not. Ooh. Hold this for a minute. We're getting nowhere quick.
Nowhere quick. What the heck?
This stuff is slick, bud.
Boys, we are so fucked. Oh my god. It's not really that steep, but it is soaked. It's still obviously downpouring, and I can't make any ground. So it seems like this setup, while it's good for keeping me away from the edge, as soon as I get up and out of the rut, it kind of keeps me from being able to throttle down and really get out of here. So the craziest thing so far is that this is my truck going uphill. We gotta go up here, and this is Carter's daily driver. So he's going to get his rock crawler right now. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see me. He's going to get his rock crawler right now, which you would think is a surefire, you know, we'll get out of here, but this mud is nuts, so I don't know. At least we'll have 2 inches and we'll have a little bit more capability. I'm like I might as well have gone swimming in these pants. This is unreal, but it's part of the fun of it, you know? That one's for taco dust right there. So boys, I'm just gonna wait here. Wait for his truck to get here, I guess. Here we go, boys. I don't know if you can see back there, but he's got us hooked up. I'm in reverse. We're just gonna let the winch do its thing because it is pulling me in the right sort of direction. I'm gonna go reset up the front winch to pull my front end over. Let me show you what I got. Holy shit, boys. All right, I gotta let tension out. Okay. All right, boys, here's what we got. I just switched it. Now it's just on the front end. It's still anchoring me. We'll see if this can pull it up the hill. I have to apologize for the filming, as it is nasty out here. And I am just working my front end around. He's not pulling. Okay, we're still good. We're still good. Putting this winch to work. Holy shit. This is unreal. Let me go. There we go, boys. Okay, I gotta reposition now. Holy shit. This is out of this world, boys. What do you gotta say, big dog?
Not out of here yet.
Your truck is fucked.
What it is now, we'll pop right out of here before, no doubt about it. I'm gonna move my truck out of the way so I can just back up and drive out.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds like a good plan. Holy shit! This was I mean, I gotta show you guys this. This is absolutely.
My road.
This is absolutely bonkers. Oh my god. Let's come out for a nice fucking Saturday afternoon at the James Dean Ranch. Jesus Christ. Alright, I gotta turn on the cameras. Carter said he's gonna drive right out of here, so make sure we get this We're getting down into the 9-volt range here. Yeah, no, it's coming back. I just, you know, give it a little break here for a second. All right, what do you guys do for fun? It didn't last very long, boys. It's even steeper right here. And I'm into the red on my winch. Holy shit. We'll pull some of this back when take the slack out of it. I don't know why, but I just knew I brought a change of clothes, fresh boots. Oh yeah, we're going. No problem here. Right, I'm just letting the winch do the work because if not, I'm gonna tear up the road for everybody else getting out of here. Carter's other truck doesn't have a winch, which is the only concerning part. Did I fucking lose my power steering? You gotta be shitting me. Okay. We're through. I'm pretty sure I lost fucking power steering. God! Nobody's in the truck here. We're just letting it do its thing. Well, the GoPro froze up, so hopefully everything's all good, but it's not working anymore. So we got this thing out, got the front end out. There's a good sized dip right here that we're gonna try to winch through that. I couldn't be any wetter if I was swimming. This is crazy. Carter says that he waited till now to tell me that he's got no heat at his house. So not only are we soaking wet, but we're gonna be freezing cold as well. Is this anyone else's idea of a good time?
I didn't make it out here, bud.
There's the hero there. Let her eat, bud. All right, here we go, boys. Oh, let her eat. That's pretty good. Yeah, now go back. Try to come forward straight at me. Hey, hey! You're done. Your ass end is going down the bank. Let me show you guys. Here's the truck. Got a winch. We got strap. I got another strap. There he is. We're maxed out. I'm pulling the crawler towards you.
Alright, let the line out. I'm getting bound up sideways. Hang on.
I guess she's coming up sideways. A little crossed up, huh? I just resituated a little bit. See if that helps. Oh yeah.
Back end's coming around.
Oh yeah. Sitting pretty now, boys.
Nope, I'm ripping off the truck.
Oh, there she goes. I just saw it. Yeah.
Keep going. I can see you now. Take the Z-brake off.
Oh yeah. What an afternoon. Of course, it was an afternoon when we got stuck, so there's that.
Should have got mud trains instead of all trains.
There he is! Brother!
What is that?
Alright. Well, we made it out, boys. I think I have frostbite. We'll touch base when we're nice and dry. That's it, boys. We did it. We made it out. That's all I got for you this week. I don't even know what to say about this. This was, well, you saw.